Hi folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix unhandled exemption errors, then stick around for the solutions. The first solution would be to run is Windows Update. So how do we do that? Right click on Start button, click on Settings, look for Windows Update and check for updates. This should automatically update all the drivers. Now, if this also doesn't work, then look for malware or any viruses that have affected your system causing this error. So we do that by looking for Windows Security, Virus and Threat Protection, click on it and do a scan. So now let me tell you this. If you have a third party antivirus or malware protection installed on your system, then Windows will let you know in this panel. So you have to then scan using that third party antivirus or malware software. But if it's not installed, then Windows will show you this option, scan options. Go to full scan and press scan now. This should solve the problem. If that too doesn't work, then we have to enable the .NET framework. So how we do that is we look for Windows features, and here in control panel we click on turn Windows features on or off. Here we enable the .NET boxes. So on the first box we enable both of these, and on the second box we enable both of these. When we see all blue marks, we click OK and it will search for the required files and install them. Now, finally, if this doesn't also work, then we can do an SFC scan. So we do that by looking for command prompt, run as right click and run as administrator, and type the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW, and press enter. This should solve the problem. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.